This is the Samsonite Lite-Box Alu suitcase. Yes, that fancy aluminium one you might seen around or mistakenly thought was a Rimowa. We're not just going to talk about the features though, we're actually taking this bad boy on a trip and spill all the details. How much can it pack? Will it survive a hectic journey? Stick around as we will dive into everything about the suitcase and share our real-life stories with it. Let's get rolling!
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review a suitcase, specifically the Samsonite Lite-Box suitcase. We're gonna go through what you can expect from this suitcase, the weight, and everything you need to know. Okay, here it is, the suitcase, and it's all aluminium, as you can hear and probably see. It has 4 wheels, super easy to roll around. You also get resting legs for on the ground. On the top side you have a handle, and here the locking mechanism. It's 2 locking mechanisms here. This is customizable when you buy it, so they will put your initials in here. So you can take this out and customize it yourself, but they do it in the store. Also a handle here as well. You also have the address thing here. So let's open it and see how it is. To open it, you just press these 2 together. There it opens. And this is the inside of the suitcase. So you have straps, which is adjustable on both sides. There is a pocket here. A pocket here. And it's kind of nice.
The suitcase also comes with 2 metal dividers, which you can put on top of your clothes to secure it better when you close the suitcase. It can also be used as a packing for separation of your dirty laundry from your fresh clothes.
So let's pack it and see how it is.
The dimensions of the suitcase are satisfactory, but as it is a metal case, it doesn't offer expandable space. Samsonite's recommended weight limit is 23 kilos. I easily managed to pack for a 2-week summer journey.
7.3. That's kind of heavy. That's with the dividers. This one. So I'm gonna take this out and see how it is done. Now without the dividers, let's see. Oh, 6.7.
Samsonite's product range includes 5 distinct sizes. The regular version at 55 cm, 69 cm and 76 cm, and the trunk version available in either 74 cm or 80 cm. The Alu-Box Lite brand isn't available in the US. Here they offer only a metal suitcase in collaboration with Boss, which is slightly pricier. Appearance-wise, it seems identical to the Alu-Box Lite, with the exception of a superior lining in black and a distinct Boss logo.
Okay, first time traveling with this bag, and it got some hits during the transit down to here in Manila. I'm gonna show you now. As you can see, where you can rest the bag. It got a little dent in. I see if I have to manage to pop it out. Otherwise than that, it's only like small marks here and there. I think it's gonna look nice when it's got some wear and tear, but I'm a little curious about the resting leg here, because it got a really bump, and this is really convenient for storing it on the side, so we'll see how that works. Okay, back in my apartment, check out the suitcase. Still has the dent here, and you can see the wobbling. I don't think it's that much of a deal. One thing you can see is it's not resting on the leg, it's using the locks, so it can actually hurt the floor a little bit, but it's using the wheel to support as well, but you can see that this lock is on the floor and resting. I don't think it's gonna be an issue, but it was so nice when it had the legs. You can feel it here, but I don't think I will try to bump it out. Maybe I break it even more.
In conclusion, the Samsonite Lite-Box Alu suitcase has a sense of premium quality thanks to its full-body aluminum construction. However, this material choice does bring with it the expected downside of added weight, a common trait of aluminum suitcases. The wheels are a standout feature, offering a superb maneuverability on various surfaces. While there is a slight disappointment concerning the dent near the resting legs, it does not significantly detract from the overall value and functionality of the suitcase. This makes the Samsonite Lite-Box Alu a commendable choice for those prioritizing durability and style in their travel gear.